Salutations, fellow hobbyists, and welcome to the Toyama23 hobby channel with me, Toyama23. And today I'm doing a little bit of an experiment. I have put some stickers, as you can see, onto a curved surface and a flat surface. But what I'm gonna do is use Mr. Mark Softer to see what happens. We all know that this is used for decals, not stickers, but I am curious, and would I recommend you do it or not? Let's find out. So I'm gonna skip forward to after applying these things, because this is not easy to do while holding your camera. So this is right after I applied them. I let them sit for a few minutes and then wipe off the stuff, and it actually looks nicer compared to the way it was before. It does make the back of the stickery part less prominent. Well, I'm gonna leave this like this for a week and see how it turns out. Now it's been 4 months. I also want to add that these are very old stickers, very old sticker decals, older than some kids I know, probably 14 years old. And compared to before, I also added some extra sticker, as similar as I could get them, like you see here. For control, I put a C next to it. C, control, C. And also, I do notice that the ones where the sticker that I applied the Mark Softer to, it seems to be sticking better, has less bubbles in it, and it looks actually way nicer compared to the ones with control. This is control, and this one is the one with the softer on it. In person, the one with softer in it is sticking better than the control and has less bubbles too. Now to hit it with some top coat, some matte top coat, and see what the results are. As I go do that, please hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a like. Now after blasting it with some matte top coat, and these are the results. It's disappointing, as I was hoping it flattens out and look less sticker like, but that's not the case. So in conclusion, if you are building a kit and plan to use them stickers over water slide decals, it doesn't hurt to use the Mark Softer, and in my opinion it does look better. As you can see, less bubbles, and actually looks like the ones that I control do look like they're peeling off a little bit, whereas the one that has the softer applied to them seems to stick better. And unless you want that matte look to your kit and don't mind the sticker looking like this, don't bother using the matte coat. Then again, what are your opinion? I would like to know what you think. Do comment below. Well guys, keep things awesome, keep the hobby going, and keep the hobbyist alive. I am Toyama23 signing out.